In today's tutorial, we will talk about lambda functions in Python. So, lambda functions are small anonymous functions, and they can be written in single line of code. So, let's get started. So, here is an example. So, in order to define a lambda function, we will use lambda keyword followed by its arguments, and then after colon, you specify what you want to return. So in this piece of code, our function square will take one number and return its square. Here you go. We can use multiple arguments as well. Let's make another lambda function, say add. It will take x and y. And then we can return its sum. And if I call it, let's say 3, 8, it will return its sum. That's how simple it is. So, let's talk about some uses of lambda functions. So, lambda functions are often used in combination with built-in functions like map, filter, sorted, etc. Let's look at some examples. So here, we are going to use our lambda function with map. So map is usually used when you want to perform something on every element of your iterator, in this case a list. So what it will do is, let's take this to a new cell. So what this will do is, it will take every element of this list and apply this function on it. And you can see it works as we want. So same goes for this. This filter, what it will do is, it will filter out all even numbers from that particular list. And we can even use it with sorted function. It will sort our list on the basis of number of characters in that particular entry. Here. So that's it for today. We looked at what are lambda functions. We look at examples of how to define a lambda function. And we look at some uses of lambda functions in map, filter, sorted. Thank you for watching. Bye.